me when you love me. Oh, I need someone to love me. Oh, I need someone to love me. Oh, I need someone to love me.
Hello beautiful people, it is Saturday morning about 10 a.m. I know I'm so prepared. Happy Saturday. It's been a week since I came back from Amsterdam. I cannot believe it. Time is flying too quickly. I have been exhausted this week, so I spent like the first few days just chilling, then I had like uni stuff to do, and then now it's the weekend, so I have actually quite an exciting weekend this weekend. Today I actually have, well tonight I have a premiere for The Wedding Party, which is like a Nollywood film. If anyone knows The Wedding Party, it's like an epic film, so they're doing like the sequel to that tonight. My dusty ashy appearance is because I'm not moisturised yet, so I'm gonna go and do my face mask before I moisturise, and then I'm going to moisturise. But I'll show you some of the products that I use, because people ask me what I do with my skincare, and it's kind of a mishmash. But I'll show you what I'm doing today, and come and get ready with me-ish. So first up we have, and first of all, before we get into this, I've not done my nails, so I don't want anyone commenting on how dusty they look. We've established that they're getting done today. Okay, moving swiftly on. We have my facial peeling mask. It's not really a mask, well it kind of is, but it's a multivitamin recovery facial peeling. This stuff is so good. I actually got scammed into buying it in the States the last time I went, and I was like having major regrets because I was like, that was a lot of money to spend, but it was the best scam that has ever happened to me. Then I also use this face cream, which is an anti-wrinkle cream from CN, which is actually Lidl's on brand. You didn't hear it from me, and I still better be able to go and buy it in the shop. I don't want it to be sold out, because keep it on the DL. This stuff is good. This helps the prevention of the formation of new wrinkles. It has UV filters and vitamin E, which, what does it do? It prevents premature skin aging. You know what they say, prevention is better than cure. And then I also have the hand cream version, because no one likes ashy hands, and it's also an anti-aging cream because your hands age the quickest, I think. I think I read that somewhere. I'll try and find the facts before I bring them to you. So I have just arrived in Partick to get my nails done. This is where someone's watching me through the window. This is why vlogging in public is just hilarious. So I actually get my nails done at USA Nails Partick. I have this guy that does my nails. He's amazing. So I'm just gonna ask him for whatever I want, and he always, well, I mean, yeah, nails. Anything that I want on my nails, and he always gets it for me. This is it, just here. I don't want to get like random people in my vlog. That's so awkward. So this is it right here. It's just a little place, and it's like a hidden beauty. It's never too busy, which is, you know, a plus. You know? So my nails are done. They look really good. I'll show you in better lighting. Let's go to Lidl, my favourite place, and we'll go and see the beauty products too. These are the creams that I was using, and it's only £1.99, and they also have loads of different ones. So they have like cell regenerating cream, which I think I'm going to buy. That's £4.49. Splash out, you know. And then they have loads of different ones, so really check it out. So I think I'm going to try this one today. Treat myself. Put that on tonight. But honestly, all this stuff's amazing. If you want to come on in and try it. Hey guys, so I am finished getting ready. I'm trying not to get the shadow on my face. For a kind of softish Hollywood glam, I did a little bit of a smoky eye. I don't know if you can see it. Hope it doesn't look messy on camera. And I am roasting hot because I've been running around trying to get myself organised. I'm just waiting for my taxi now. I had to do my hair, which I just kind of went for like soft kind of bouncy curls. And this is the outfit that I wanted to show you guys that I made last night. I'm just wearing this little gold suit, and then I used the ribbon from my Gucci bag. that I got the packaging, and I just kind of draped that round here and kind of sewed it up. And it's got a slit here, which was actually the original slit for the back of the dress. I am so excited, and my friends are already there. We actually turned up matching in gold. And black and gold. Black and gold. And curly hair. Twins. But here we are at the wedding party premiere. Very excited.
Took a photo with the guests. I'm really excited, guys. My feet is killing me, but I'm ready to do this.
Oh my goodness. My feet just got wet. Do you want to introduce yourself? Hello. Debbie. Debbie. What's your name?
Yetunde.
You guys have
Rachel.
you guys have go in there.
Real quick. Okay, we're gonna take a photo real quick. So I got here late. Let me okay, hi. So I got here late, but it's like super busy.
I'm not taking all this over there.
And there's a little red carpet here, so I'm trying to get some photos for the gram. But there's a queue.
Wait, can we take a photo?
Rachel really wants to take a photo too.
We need a photo.
She needs a photo for the gram. Do it for the gram. Hi, fellow cameraman. Guys, are you excited for the premiere?
Very, very excited. Can't wait to get in there.
So snack time, essential. I'm definitely gonna have like, I think I'm gonna get popcorn and an ice glass. Oh, you get chicken strips, is that a thing in the cinema? So I'm the only one that's drinking, which is slightly awkward. Rachel's just abandoned me and not drinking.
I can't
Did you
drink,
get a hot
guys.
dog?
Yeah.
Did you?
There's no sauce on it.
Here you go and get the sauce.
Oh, is it? Guys, sorry.
Rachel abandoned me, I'm the only one that's drinking.
She's an alcoholic.
I'm not an alcoholic, I never. You keep telling me that.
Don't be slow, this guy. Chop onions, everything.
Oh no, you need to ask for onions. Yeah. This is the definition of African
We're
time.
supposed to start at 9. This is
What
at past
time
9. No adverts or anything yet, literally, because African time.
I'm going in, I can't wait to
Just wait.
I got asked why I'm here. I was like, I don't know. I was just invited. They were like, what are you most excited for? I was like,
I'm excited to see Patience and Shola Shobowale to dance in that coming in.
see, that's the thing.
What did you
You
order?
like have details. I don't. I've watched it, but I don't really know like the characters. So I was like, oh, I just want to see what like the different things are. Awkward.
Hey, Rosalind.
I could change. I had such a fun night. Not that I wasn't expecting to have a fun night, but it turned out to be just one of those really like random nights out. I wasn't really expecting to go out after, but there was like an official after party for the screening afterwards, and we went to this club called Sugar Cube. So for all my Glaswegians, you know that Sugar Cube used to be the place to be. When I was like 15, 16, that's where like everyone went and whatever, but I've not really heard much about it since, so it was really nostalgic to be back. And I had such a fun night. It was kind of like Nigerian music, it was really cool. And then they had another room which was just playing like commercial, R&B, pop kind of stuff. I met some really cool people, had fun, had a little bit to drink, a little dance. but it's 5 a.m, which is way past my bedtime. So it's time to hit the hay. I'm going to use my new CN cream that I bought today at Lidl, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Tomorrow's Mother's Day. My mum's not around, but I'm still going to vlog a little bit and see where tomorrow takes us. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night.